Hey there, data enthusiasts, ready to turn Python into your new best friend. In today's video, we're diving into the essentials, the Python basics that will set you up to tackle data analysis like a pro. Whether you're a coding newbie or just need a refresher, this is where the magic starts. Let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with the fundamentals, Python's clean and friendly syntax. Python is known for being super intuitive, which means less head-scratching and more problem-solving. First up, variables. Think of them as containers where you store all your important data. It's like keeping your snacks in a jar, easy to access whenever you need them. Here, X and Y are our snack jars, storing the numbers 10 and 5. We can add them up to get a sum or multiply them to get a product. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's sprinkle in some string magic. Strings are sequences of characters like words or sentences, and Python makes it super simple to manipulate them. Here's our greeting message as hello, world. Want to shout it out loud? Just use upper to turn it all to uppercase. Python makes it as easy as flipping a switch. Alright, time to get a bit more adventurous. Let's talk about control structures. These are the GPS of your code, guiding it where to go. First, if-else statements. They're like decision makers, helping your code choose its path based on conditions. In this scenario, if number is greater than 5, we print a message saying number is greater than 5. Otherwise, we print number is less than or equal to 5. It's like giving your code a brain to make decisions on the fly. Next, let's loop-de-loop with for loops. They're your go-to when you need to repeat actions multiple times. This loop runs 5 times, printing numbers from 0 to 4. Think of it like hitting the repeat button on your favorite song. It keeps going until it's done. Now that you're getting the hang of things, let's talk about data structures. Python's secret sauce for organizing and managing data. First up, lists. They're like the ultimate shopping list, but for data. You can store all sorts of items and easily access or modify them. Here, we've got a list of fruits: apple, banana, and cherry. Want to grab the first fruit? Just ask for fruits 0 and boom, you've got an apple. Dictionaries are another powerhouse. They're like a directory, where you look up values using a key. Meet our student, John. We've stored his name and age in a dictionary. Need his name? Just use the key name, and you'll get John. Dictionaries are perfect for quick lookups. And finally, we have tuples and sets. Tuples are like locked containers. You can store items, but once they're in, you can't change them. Sets are all about uniqueness. No duplicates allowed. Our tuple here holds a pair of coordinates, and our set? It automatically tosses out any duplicates, leaving us with just the unique numbers. Functions are like mini programs within your program. Write them once, use them everywhere. They're the ultimate way to keep your code neat and reusable. Let's whip up a function that greets someone by name. Here, we've got our greet function. It takes a name as an input and returns a greeting. Call it with Alice's and you get hello Alice. Functions are your best friends for cutting down on repetitive code.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
Before we wrap up, let's sneak a peek at Python's treasure trove of libraries, like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. These powerhouses will turn you into a data analysis wizard, handling data like it's child's play. Don't worry, we'll dive deep into these in our upcoming videos. That's a wrap on Python basics. You're now equipped with the skills to start diving into data analysis. Next up, we'll be exploring the Python libraries that make all the magic happen. If you had fun with this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop with our latest tutorials. See you in the next video. Let's keep this momentum going. Thanks for watching.